Hello there. A warm welcome to today's lecture on the ethical use of AI, artificial intelligence within academia. So, in this session, we will explore how AI can be effectively utilized to save valuable time and enhance the quality of our academic work and ensure that also ethical considerations are upheld. So, we are also going to touch on some options available and learn how to use them intelligently for academic purposes. And without further ado, let's dive right in. So I have a beautiful quote by Anant Argwal. AI is not a substitute for teachers. It is a powerful tool that can enhance their abilities to revolutionize the way we educate. So this quote is actually inspired by an Indian computer architecture researcher and the CEO of edX made this particular CEO emphasizes the role of artificial intelligence in education. And he states that AI is really not intended to replace teachers, rather to empower them to augment their capabilities. And it is very, very true. So as we move on, let's keep this in mind and use it to the best of our ability. So AI has become a game changer in many domains, including education, and it's now offering tremendous potential for streamlining our academic tasks, improving our research efficiency, and even providing personalized learning experiences for our students. So, in as much as all this is taking place, it is very crucial to approach its use with a strong ethical foundation to ensure fairness and transparency and respect while at it. So, there are quite a number of ways you can use AI within academia to help you cut down on the number of hours you spend on researching, outlining, preparing presentations and interviews. There are quite a list of things that we can do with it. And it's very important that we start having this discussion on how to put policies to support the usage of AI within our space education. So besides ChatGTP, there are many other upcoming AI platforms, and it's important to know how to use them ethically in a way that is not plagiarism. And as I have mentioned before, they can be used to summarize, to brainstorm, among others. And there are some major arguments for why creativity is essential when utilizing AI in education. So it promotes critical thinking by it promotes innovation and creativity when we use AI. And also when we avoid plagiarizing, it's actually a good recipe for motivating creativity and critical thinking. And it will also encourage that unique perspective and also guide your thoughts towards a direction that is more likely towards creativity. And this way we are able to realize our full potential. So with the advent of AI, there has been a risk of plagiarism and academic misconduct. And AI powered tools can facilitate also easy access to vast amounts of information and content. And while this is advantageous for research, it also increases the risk of personalities. It could be students, researchers, or educators copying and presenting their work as their own. So it is very important, we as educators, to emphasize the importance of originality and to help our students as well understand the value of academic integrity and the consequences of plagiarism. So remember that. So far, actually, many institutions and now many institutions of learning have adopted anti-plagiarism and originality checkers just to ensure that the author has maximum ownership of the published work. And I've just listed a few here before us on the slide. The originality checkers. The first one is the originality.ai, and the rest, just have a look at them. I've also shared the same content with you in in our portal. Then it's important to know that as the AI technologies evolve, their potential to transform education is immense, and therefore we encourage educators to leverage the tools as enablers rather than as replacements for creativity and human ingenuity. And educators, researchers, and students can actually use it to enhance their own unique ideas, solve complex problems, rather than solely relying on pre-existing solutions or algorithms. So it is also good that we start coming up with policies to protect and safeguard the usage of AI within education space, and I cannot belabor that point. So I would love to move on to some of the content I've prepared in form of examples on how AI can be utilized. It can be utilized to outline research papers, for instance, to brainstorm research questions in the field of research, to draft personal statements and cover letters, to prepare for a presentation, and so on and so forth, time management, lab notes, preparation, to look for career options and alternatives. Yeah. So as educators, we also have the role of researchers, and I'll keep saying that, to keep refining our work and updating how we do things. And as such, I'm going to share with you a few of the many resources at our fingertips and other productivity tools that can actually save our time as educators when we are conducting the research. The first one is Scholarly. So Scholarly allows you to summarize reading with a summarization tool for for easy summarization, and it helps you to actually retain course readings. Sometimes you have so much course reading and you need to be able to get a summary of each of the information that you would wish to have access to. So this can actually help you, Scholarly. And we have connected papers, which is a tool that can help you as a researcher to enter a paper that you're interested in. It could be a research paper, and it will find similar papers in your field to help you get a visual understanding of the trends. You can also find papers recently published that you may have missed out or identified before. Then we have Paper Digest. It summarizes research papers for you in just a couple of minutes. They've got around 2 million plus papers on their system, so you can head there and have a look. It also gives you a summary that you may read through in about 3 minutes. Sometimes you can't just be sitting there to read through all of those papers, so it's good when you have these summarizers. And each aspect of the paper is summarized to enable you to make a quick decision if you really want to delve deeper into the paper. And that's especially good if you're using it for literature review. Then we have Writeful, which allows you to write, paraphrase, edit when doing academic writing. And this is actually going to make you do a polished paper. And PaperPal gives you a specific language suggestion to help you write better and faster. It also helps you by giving you suggestions to rephrase sentences, to check for structural inconsistencies within your sentences. It also detects grammar issues. You can have a plugin into your Word document, and that means as you write, it will suggest corrections for you. So we also have BioRender for scientists, and it allows you to generate scientific images and pathways, innovations, etc. So you can also have a look at that. Then we have Academic Face Bank. It's a massive phrase bank of words, phrases, terminologies, sentence starters and enders to write in a cohesive, academically viable way. And this particular one, I could mention that it is a free site. So, and it helps to refine your writing. You can actually go and check it out. Then we have Canva, which can actually be undermined and it's never talked about. However, it can be very useful for designing presentations and much more. So thank you so much for this far we have come. As you move forward in your academic journey, remember to be mindful of the ethical considerations when leveraging AI tools. So use AI as a powerful ally to help you save time, enhance the quality of your work, and explore new frontiers of knowledge. So let's embrace it. I encourage you to carry forward this knowledge, and let's see where it will take us and improve, make an impact in education and society as a whole. Thank you and all the best in your academic endeavors. Bye.